Give thanks and praise to the mercy of the everlasting God, who lives and reigns. Let God arise and all his enemies be scattered. Those who hate righteousness flee. The smoke is driven away, Father, drive them away. As wax melted, Father, let them be melted. They were there in great confusion, with no confusion. Most and Lord is indeed the light and the strength of my life. And though we stumble and though we fall, we shall not utterly be cast down, because it's right that we beat up all I up, because we love his tenants and adhere to his statutes. We are the children of his parcel, and thank his gift, his thanksgiving and praise, knowing that the Lord is God, is he that hath made us and not we ourselves. To come forth this day on the sabbatical man to greet the people of the world, the heartfelt love and heartfelt gratitude and thanks for you being here and being in my life for over these many years. We also like to thank the people of the world for loving the music, reggae music, what have freed many a people, many a captive, many a nation, many a man and many a minds. We also want to thank the people of the world because they're alive and they have kept themselves alive to see this time, this epoch, which is monumental to the survival of the black race. Every race is secure, let us deal with our race in particular. We're on the cuffs right now of a monumental shift in terms of the diversity and the convergence of Africa, global power, being spawned by a great leader. We've never seen a leader like this in all our lives on earth. We have had leaders who come up and before you know they say one thing, and as they assume the reign of power, they do a different thing. We have leaders who are so bought out and so compromised that they can't even lead themselves. We are in this iration. We are alive to see a young man from the continent of Africa expounding on all the tenets that the great Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, and all these great stalwarts on culture and all these great men sang about the liberation of the continent. The continent is the breadbasket of the world. It has become the foot mat of the globe. How could the breadbasket of the world become the foot mat of the world? How could the person, the nation, the continent who feed the world become global beggars? They have reversed the role and turned us into peons and serf under diplomatic agreements and agendas. But here is a young man who saw right through the smoke screen, saw right through all of that, and decided that he's gonna put not only his life, but his knowledge, everything, in whole self on the line for us. Let us come together. There's no greater time to be alive than now. Remember I tell you this, because we're witnessing something that our forefathers and our ancestors dream about. We have seen Rastas now galvanize around this common factor, because Rastas will get soft and hide and talk them grounds out. Yes, because when Rome come at time and I say Rasta went to Rome against side, and I know that Rasta is no longer Rasta, Rasta turned pussy. But true Rastas are still around. They're not money hungry, they're not the money hungry dreadlocks, they're not pierce up them ears and go and eat a bunch of blood clot flesh off the earth. Good Rasta still about. Firm same way, lions. We eat you alive, we still around. And we love still good, we love still strong. Reaching out to the people of the world, man. It's a great morning to be alive, I just say, to the eye. Enough love, you know. It give I great joy to see a voice speaking from the continent we have never heard before. We have some old leaders, some guys who are almost 100 years old, due to relinquish powers to the younger youth, them can assume the role of leadership to expound and their vision of what leadership look like for the younger youths. Then we're not having that. We have some guys in the Caribbean right now because they don't want to relinquish power. They rather kill the whole generation of youths. They cannot kill out the youths because you have no plan for them. You have no infrastructure for them. Murder become your next best bet for the youths. It cannot work like that. A lot of our politicians need to go. They need to leave and leave. You're old, redundant. Your thought process is latent. They need to go and allow some young men who are not compromised, who see the interests of our nation and the interests of the youth and the interests of the people and the interests of the whole ecosystem of the whole Caribbean community as a grand prize. Who should all unite to build and grow. That's what we have now. What we have now is mayhem and madness and chaos. But chaos breeds chaos because our leaders are chaotic, right? Well, let us examine the example that you see in our time. This is the true leader. In my time, this is the only leader I resonate with. I've never seen another leader. This young man, they try to typecast as all these kind of things, is leading his people to a renaissance that Africa has never experienced. Fight if you may, argue if you may, but this is what we need. We need people to lead in our nations, in our regions. We need leadership as well. We don't have leadership. We have thugs, we have gangsters, we have thieves, we have manipulators, we have people who just speak the truth, them send them government force and them government badness to come bad you up and destroy and kill. So what that does, it drives fear into the heart of the people. Like in my country, Jamaica. I have never seen this Jamaica before. My Jamaica has become so passive. I don't know if it's something in the water. I don't know if they have done my people something. We don't stand up for anything anymore. Everything is a 9-day talk and it's okay. Because we have spent their years making examples of ordinary Jamaicans, that real Jamaicans refuse to be made an example of. But like I said, if them silence one, me 1,000 speak. If them kill one, me 1,000,000 rise. Once we're fighting for the right thing, and we're trying to open the eyes of our people. Because you can't tell the level of poverty that exists in the region because the name. Because if you check most of them youths who are going in criminality. Why? There's no opportunity. Check them background, they're going to good school, good education. But where do they place this energy and this effort? The music industry full, everybody can be a singer and a DJ. So how do we, you have shut down our trade school, we don't have a plumber, what are we doing? We want leaders. We want back leaders to lead with people. Is that going to lead and lead out? And out.